Hello, dear Royals. How are you today? Good to have you once again. Our subject for today is literacy, and we'll be forming words with all sound. All sound. Your OU and OW sounds ow, ow, ow. Thanks for that. Ow, ow. Good job. Now, we'll first look at the OU sound, which sounds ow, ow. Good job. Now, let's sound this. Don't forget OU sounds ow. Good job. Out, out. Can we say that? Out, out. Very good. When you go out of the room or you let a cat out of the bag, okay? House. Very good. And here, your SH sounds shh. So now, let's sound this. Shh. Out, shout. Again. Shh. Out, shout. Yeah, when you shout someone's name, yeah. Or when you're talking and you shout it, oh. Can you see? You open your mouth wide and you shout. Good job. The next one we have, out, mouth. Can you touch your mouth, everyone? Very good. Yeah. Out, mouth. Very good. And here we have out, south. Out, south. Yes. South means is a cardinal direction, and we can have the A. You can see A's down here. It means the south, okay? Yeah. The next one we have cloud, cloud. Again, cloud, cloud. Yeah, this is the cloud. Is the weather of the day. Yeah. And here we have loud, loud. Again, loud, loud. Yeah. When you loud the volume of your radio or your television, okay, or probably when you increase the volume, okay, even the way you speak, loud, loud. Very good. Pound, pound. Can we say that? Pound, pound. Good job. Here we have sound, sound. Can we sound this again? Sound, sound. Yeah, the sound of the music. You can hear the sound of the music here, and the way we are sounding our letters. Our letters, the way we sound them. Sound, sound. Yeah, very good. Sound, the sound of the music, or the way we sound our letters. Good job. Let's say this. House, house. Can we say that again? House, house. Yeah, can you see the picture of the house? Good job. Here we go. House, mouse. Yeah. Can you see the picture of the mouse? House, mouse. Good job. Very good. I like that. You're learning fast. Now let's sound this. Proud, proud. Yeah. Showing that you're too important. And when Mrs. Fagbemile says, I'm proud of you. Yeah. Proud, proud, proud. Good job, proud, proud. Your parents can be proud of you, okay, when you're doing well. Proud, proud. And here we have count, count, count. Good job. Now, let's take the OW sound, which sounds ow. The OW sounds what? Ow. Good job. Ow. Here we go. Ow, vow. Let's say that again. Vow. Yeah, when you're making a solemn promise. Okay, when you're promising someone a promise, I won't do this again. Yeah, you're making a vow. Yeah, vow. Here we go. Cow. Can you see that? Cow. Yeah, can you see the picture of a cow? Have you seen a cow before? Okay, very good. Good to hear. Cow. Good job. How did you do it? How are you? Very good. How? Good job. Bow. Can we say that? Bow. Very good. I like that. Wow. When you're surprised. Wow. Good job. Now. That is, you do it now. Get it done. Yeah, do it now. Now. Yeah, look at this. Clown. Can we start this together? Clown. I see L sounds clown. Good job. Yeah, can you see the picture of a clown? Very good. Here we go. Brown. Can we take that again? Brown. Very good. Can you see the color of the leaf? Here we go. Frown. Can we take this again? Frown. Very good. When you frown at someone, not agreeing. No. When you frown at someone, yeah, frown. Your eyebrow will change. Frown. Good job. Good to hear. Yeah. That's for today. Thank you so much for your time. Please watch this over and over again. Study it. See you next time. Bye-bye.